video, I'm going to talk about the last example of solving for the distance formula question. And the question is that what is the distance between the 2 points 4, 6 and minus 5, 8? And before I solve this question, I want to remind you guys about the distance formula that are useful for this question. And I'm keep reminding you guys to memorize this by steps. And d, which stands for distance, should be equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. We also need to remember that x2 and y2 and then x1 and the y1 is just a coordinate of the 2 points on the coordinate plane. So let's apply this, and we also remember that the x2 and the y2 and the x1 and the y1, whatever we choose as the points, is not matter because if we turns into negative, we square it, it will going to turn into the positive. So at first I will call this coordinate x2 comma y2, and I will call this coordinate y2 comma y1. Y1, I need to write a little bit below, and let's apply this to this question right over here. So you can get that distance should be equal to square root of x2. What is the value of x2? Well, it is 4. So 4 minus x1's value. Oh, this is going to be x2. Sorry, we're going to be x1 and the y1. And then it will going to be negative 5. And then all of that squared plus what is the value of y2? It is 6, positive 6 minus y1's value, which is positive 5, positive 8. And then we can take square to the both sides in order to remove this radical because of the complicated calculation. And the radical we're going to cancel out with the square, and we will get d squared should be equal to square root of 4 minus 5 square root. We're going to cancel out with the square, not the square. So we don't have to write the square root, and we will get 4 minus 5 minus will turn to positive, and we will get 9 squared plus 6 minus 8 is minus 2 squared. We're going to be positive 4. And we guess distance squared should be equal to 9 squared will turn into 36. So we will turn into 36. Plus 4, we will get 40. We are not done yet. We need to, it's a d squared, distance squared. So we need to find the distance by taking square root of the both sides. So we will get distance should be equal to square root of 40. And if you just if you want to factor this a little bit, we can get 220 and then 210 and then 25. So we can say that this is equal to 2 times square root of 10. And 2 times square root of 10 is a distance between these 2 points, which is 4, 6 and negative 5, 8.